In this tutorial, we'll guide you through downloading handwriting fonts for iAuto and importing them into your software. First, go to the official Unitech website, scroll to the bottom of the page, and find the Download Software User Manual section. Head to Part 2 for all iAuto auto-feeding machine pen plotters. Click the third link. Download some fonts for iAuto here, then download all the fonts to your local computer. Once finished, extract the fonts file to a folder on your computer. Next, open the iAuto software, go to Settings, then Font Management, and click Import, and select the folder with the fonts. Choose the font you wish to import. You can import them into the software one by one. After that, let's add some text in the software to test the results of these fonts. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the text page for a better view. Click the red cross in the upper left corner to select the text box and choose the desired font from the font column. Then you'll be able to see the corresponding effects in the text page. You can try different fonts to find the one that suits you.